Hello and welcome. I know I said I was going to make a video at least per week, and I did not keep that promise, but I'll try my best to keep it. It's getting a little bit tiring because I'm trying to find a job and I just cannot. It's kind of weird. Today's topic is something about this, job search that I've been doing, and it's about Upwork. So I've been a freelancer on Upwork for like 3.5 years, more than 3.5 years. I've started I don't even remember when I started. I think 2019. Yeah, in 2019. And I had my first job at the end of 2019 with, I don't even remember the country. I think it was Colombia. The client from Colombia, he asked me to create a Twitter clone. He had a project, but he needed it to be like refined and stuff. So I finished that project. The guy stole $50 from me. I just said, well, whatever, you can go. But I will remember this. I will remember this. So I gave him like a bad private review, but a good public review because he gave me a good public review. Anyway, but these days Upwork has been, how should I say this? A lot more interesting. Interesting, not in the good way, in the bad way. How you might ask? Well, let me explain. First of all, Upwork, when I started in 2019, was the cool kids club. If you are on Upwork, you have done something amazing. So if you are on Upwork, you are like a good developer, for example. I entered Upwork to do development jobs. So if you enter Upwork, you are the cool kid because there was like a review process, an application process. You had to be accepted, and I had to pass by the acceptance phase like 7 times. So before I was accepted, it was like a very, very hard process, not gonna lie. But these days, anyone who enters can start working on Upwork straight up without any application or approval process. And that's what made Upwork even more bloated than Fiverr. If you've ever thought that Fiverr was bloated, well, you've never seen Upwork. So these days, Upwork is way, way, way more bloated. One more thing is the new system of boosting proposals. So this system has destroyed Upwork. And I think honestly this is what's going to kill Upwork because it has become pay to win. And before, Upwork was like pure skill. So if you had the skills, if the client sees that you have the needed skills, you will be accepted. But now with this boosting proposal system, people are throwing 100, 200, I've even seen like 550 connects to get a single job. I don't know how to feel about this. Personally, I don't have more than 100 connects at any given time. And with this new system, it forces you to waste a lot of connects. So if you're not seen by the client, you don't get your connects back. They're gone and you're done for. But if the client interviews you, you get your connects back. This is a system that, how should I say it, encourages people to waste a lot of connects. So you put 550 connects, and when the client interviews you, you get them back. And that's why a lot of people waste a lot of connects to be on, like the top of the viewing list of the client. Sometimes these people don't even have the skills. Well, I'm not one to judge. I won't judge them. You do what you do, whatever it is. But this system bring the downfall of Upwork. I think it's really annoying. It's a really annoying system. You can't have, now the client has to like just go through the 3 first proposals that have been boosted, and he can see that they are boosted. So it's interesting. He can see that they are boosted, but if he interviews these, he thinks that these are boosted not because they are good for the job. He doesn't know. He thinks that these are boosted because they are good for his job. They are the one that will do this job perfectly. But no, these are jobs that have been boosted using money, and Upwork has been going on this downward spiral of like looking for money anywhere. I mean, they did a good job by taking the 20%, by removing this 20% cut and turning it into like a fixed 10%. But the fixed 10% is not good enough. To be honest, the previous one where you have like 20% when you had less than $500, 10% when you go less than 1,000, and above 1,000 you get 5%. So for higher paying jobs, you are getting a lot of return on investment, a lot of return compared to getting like a fixed 10%. But regardless, who am I to judge? Maybe these are good changes, maybe these are bad changes. I want to know your opinion about these Upwork changes that have been done. I personally do not like these new changes. They've been destroying the way I've been working on Upwork for the last couple of years, and I haven't been able to get a job. Let's be honest here. I wouldn't say I'm the most skilled person here, or the most skilled person at all, but I've been getting jobs consistently for my first 2 years, and then I stopped because of studies. And when I came back, I just can't get any jobs, and that's weird. And if you have ever entered Upwork, if you're a freelancer on Upwork, I'm sure you have noticed that some jobs get posted and in like 10 minutes they have 50 plus proposals. And that's what annoys me. Upwork has become a lot more bloated. I thought Fiverr was bloated. But if you see Upwork, well, it's even more bloated than Fiverr. I don't know what to do now. I think I'm gonna switch platforms. Maybe we try Fiverr and tell you my experience. Maybe we try something else. Who knows? Maybe we stop freelancing like completely and do something more interesting, like creating a business or some BS like that. Yeah, overall, hope you're doing well. See you in the next video.